I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the column you plan to remove. Click any cell inside that column so Excel highlights it. This ensures you act on the correct data and prevents accidental deletion of nearby cells. Once selected, glance at the column letter to verify. Make a quick save or backup so you can recover if something goes wrong. This is a small step that prevents rework and preserves data integrity before you continue with deletion. Once the column is selected, right-click the header and choose Delete to remove it immediately. This is the fastest method. Alternatively, use the Home tab, then delete sheet columns if you prefer the ribbon workflow. As you remove the column, be mindful of formulas that reference those cells. Excel shifts references or shows errors, so note which formulas may need fixing. This step is about execution and anticipating consequences, so your sheet stays accurate. To finish, verify the workbook. Scan adjacent columns and headers to confirm layout and alignment are correct. Then recalculate formulas with F9 and inspect for #REF or unexpected values, because deleting a column can break dependent calculations. If you find issues you cannot resolve, restore the quick backup you made earlier. This is why that step is critical. Finally, save the corrected workbook and consider protecting the sheet to prevent accidental future deletions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.